Happy Monday. Today is going to be a video, and every Monday is going to be about a video about money. So I'm just going to, well, first off, hi, welcome to Life According to Enrico. That's the new channel name. New things are happening. Again, I'm glad that you're here watching Life According to Enrico. And I hope everything that I'm showing you helps you out and is a benefit for you. So the wisdom I gained over life and the lessons learned, I'm forwarding on to you. So again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please provide some comments. Let me know how you're doing with it, if it is benefiting you. So as I was saying, Monday Money is going to be about going over anything financial. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not in any means a professional at it. But again, this is just about my wisdom that I gained over the years and my lessons learned. And I hope this benefits you. So, going on, I'm going to start off with stocks. Only thing I do with stocks that I started to do with stocks is dividend stocks. That is the only thing that I work with are dividend stocks. So I'm a long-term investor is what people would say. As you are investing in long-term, you want to look at dividend stocks. I do not buy stocks that are not a dividend stock. I do not buy stocks to flip them. I'm not a day trader. That's what day traders do. They buy stocks, hold on to them, watch them grow, and when the market starts tanking on that stock, they sell it at a higher price. So they buy low, sell high. That's what a day trader does. It's kind of the same thing as real estate. Real estate, they consider me a investor, landlord, because I hold on to the property. I gain more money holding on to it than I would flipping it and selling it at a higher profit. Some people might say, no, you don't. Yes, you do. Because eventually, if you hold on it for several years and charge a proper amount of rent, that's income in your pocket, monthly income in your pocket. If you buy it and then flip it, that's a one time hit, that's a one time profit. Now, long term, as I get older and I do not want to do it any longer, then I could sell it. Not only did I make profit over the years that I've held on to that property, now I could sell it and get that one big lump sum payment. So again, it's the same thing as stocks with real estate. So I'm going to start off, like I said, with the stocks. The reason why I decided to do this Monday Money, it's because one, it holds me accountable to continue to not only benefit me by looking at my stocks every Monday and helping you guys through it. I'm not going to go through my stock portfolio. I'm just going to go over a few stocks that I purchase and show you the growth, show you the dividends, show you that I'm holding on to them. And then I'll probably name a couple that I hear that are good, or go over the aristocrat stocks. And the aristocrats are the ones that give you dividend returns year over year over year. And again, I'm not an investor. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm just your average day guy, just like you guys, just learning this stuff on my own, going through it, so on and so forth. So my problem was that, or not problem, but my stupidity, I'll put it that way, was that my dad used to buy dividend stocks. He tried to tell us as young kids about them, but we didn't listen. You know, when you're in your 20s, you're young and dumb, you don't want to listen. You think you know everything, you think you can rule the world. Trust me, you don't. Like I said before, for those that are out there thinking that they could be Hercules, those that think that they are Einsteins, whatever you may think, there's always somebody out there better than you. Just let you know that. You need to do you. You need to be you. Don't try to impress the world. Don't try to do more than what you can do. Know who you are and do what you can do. So getting back to Monday money. So this is one of the changes. This is what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to show you Charles Schwab's website because I'm familiar with that website, and I'm going to show you how to log on and start your investment. Now, if you do a Charles Schwab, a Vanguard, if you do one of those, you have to buy a whole stock. You can't buy partial stock. You can't buy a third of a stock. If a stock costs $500 for one stock, you have to have $500 to buy that stock. Now, there's apps out there or avenues out there where you can buy these fraction stocks, is what they call. There's a one that I started with my young one is Stockpile. Stockpile, you could start off if you don't have a lot of cash to start investing. Start off with Stockpile, log on to there. You can no longer you are able to use your computer, but now they require you to use only your cell phone or an app. I don't like that. I have to search to see if you could use your laptop through the app, but I like a computer setting when I'm doing my stocks. I don't like to do everything over my cell phone. It's kind of dangerous. But anyway, I will show you how to go on to Charles Schwab and start your account. It's easy, it's fast, there's like nothing hard about it. Same thing with Stockpile. I would show you how to do Stockpile, but I don't know how to show my phone yet and do this at the same time. So I'll have to look into that and find out how to do that. So that'll be one of my things to show you. But here, let me show you how to log into Charles Schwab and start your account through Charles Schwab. And again, through Charles Schwab, you only can buy a full stock. You cannot buy fractions of a stock. So you have to save up your money and buy a stock. Save up the money and buy a stock. Now you could put money into their account, and once you get enough money to buy the stock, you could do it that way. They're not a banking company. You won't get any interest on this money. And I'm not sure how long they hold it, but yes, you could take that money and reinvest in not reinvest it. You could take that money out and buy a stock. That way, it's in your account at the broker, at the stockbroker's house, and you don't have to worry about spending that money if it's in your checking account. So let me go through and show you how to start a Charles Schwab account, and then after that, we will continue on the next Monday, and I will show you a spreadsheet of the first stock that I want to start off with this Monday Money Talk, and that's the Johnson & Johnson stock. But here we go, and I will show you how to do the Charles Schwab. Okay, so here we are on the Charles Schwab website. What you want to do is you want to go in Charles Schwab's website, schwab.com, then put on here, open an account, individual brokerage. That's if you're single. You could do a joint as well if you're married. Scroll down to get started. Read all this stuff here. Make sure you understand what you're doing here. Read all this before you just click on get started. No, I don't have a referral code, and I'm not doing this to gain anything. I'm doing this to give, to help others, like God said. So here we go. Once you get started, it'll take you to this page. I started filling this stuff out already, and I had an issue, so I had to refilm this. But anyway, you put in your name, you put in your first name, last name, middle initial if you want, a suffix if you want, because it's optional. They want to make sure that you're living in the United States. They want your date of birth. You put your date of birth in here. You put your social security number here. You put your email, a phone number, and again, all this is fake except for this. Hit continue. It'll take you to here where it says to enter in your to get your code, your security code, and you press here for your email, and it'll send you a code. Okay, and then you enter in your code that you get in your email. You get here, and now you create an ID. Say Bobby. Next, we'll just put in Rico. It might not work, but we'll see. You put in a passcode. We'll say phony, because this is a fake one. Favorite book, me. Oh, you gotta have 5 characters. Myself. You push continue. So it's saying, please correct one error on the page. This login ID is already in use. So there you go. It'll get here. We're saving your information. Where do you live? It'll ask your street address. So we'll just put on here Berry Street, City, Illinois. I'm just taking stuff here. City, Lombard. Yes, I'm familiar with the state, so. But I don't know what the area code is. We'll just put that one. Citizen, United States. Again, this has got to be your information. I'm just showing you how to go through this. Is your mailing address the same as your current home address? Yes. Continue. Add a trusted contact. Right now, because I'm just walking this through. But yeah, add in a trusted contact in case something happens to you. You want somebody to be able to go into here and get this information. You just don't want your money to go out there to someone else. You want it to go to somebody you trust that can take over if something happens to you. And it'll also go through a beneficiary. So you click on continue. Why are you opening this account? Why are you opening the brokerage account? General purposes. I mean, you could put also for retirement, you could put for college, whatever it is. I just put general purposes. What are the sources of funds? It's going to come from my salary. If you have a Social Security benefit, it'll come from there. If your sales of properties, businesses, family, whatever it is, you want to click one of these. Mine is salary. Employment status. Yes, I'm employed. And again, this is just stuff that they're asking about. Other professional. Bobby's Furniture. 1050 or 1500. Pike Street. I don't know if there is a Pike Street, but I'm putting it in there. Lombard, Illinois, 60018. I think I had on there because I fat fingered it and messed up. We ask everyone these questions. Are you a member of a board of directors? No. Are you or is anyone with a beneficial interest in the account employed by or associated with any of the following? And again, read this stuff. I mean, if you are any of this stuff, you have to answer yes. Again, this is just for the common Joe out there, just like me, just a common guy. I have no ties to any of this stuff. I'm just trying to build for my retirement. Just continue. Paperless documents. To receive paper copies, uncheck the boxes. So if you want to get stuff in the mail, uncheck this. Otherwise, they'll email it to you. Checks and debit cards. Select the items you want to order. I don't want any of this stuff because I'm not going to be writing any checks or anything off of this account. Again, this is just a retirement account. Then you hit continue. Would you like to add these trading features? Would you like to make this a marginal account? I think I kept this at yes. Again, read through this to make sure that this is what you want. Again, this has got to be tailored to you. I'm just showing you the steps on what I did to fill this out and get this going. I believe you can always change this stuff later on. Once it's opened up, you're always able to change these things. And this is the margin. We'll just read it real quick. A margin account allows you to borrow against your eligible securities so you can purchase additional securities, sell securities short, obtain short-term finances, or use the account as a source of overdraft protection. So honestly, I think I did put this as no because again, I'm not looking to do any of this stuff. Optional trading. You may request approval to trade options. Your option trading application will be reviewed based on the trading experience, financial profile, and other criteria. Options carry a high level of risk and are not suitable for all investors. I think I did put yes on here. Again, I can't remember if I did that or not, but we'll put yes. See what it comes up with. Thinkorswim trading platform. Trading to uh, Schwab.com and Schwab mobile app is automatically included with all brokerage accounts. Schwab also offers Thinkorswim, which features more powerful charting, analysis, and optional training tools. Note, if this account is enabled for trading or on Thinkorswim, it cannot trade it cannot trade on our legacy Street Smart platform. We like to enable this account for trading on Thinkorswim. If there's no cost, keep it. You can always change it. Let's see. Select level, coverage, income, long, spreads. This is just showing a bunch of stuff. Read up on them. You can select them. Let's see. How do you plan on using options? Schwab offers several option strategies, levels of increasing complexity and risk. Select the level that best fits your investment objectives. I would put cover. Can you take more than one? No, cover. And I think this is because I don't remember going through this portion of it. So I think I did not choose one of those things previous. So we'll put cover. So actually, let's go back because we can always change this if we want. Yeah. So I did not take that one because, like I said, it took me right to here before. So going back, I know you guys don't want to keep seeing this. So as I did not take options trading. I did not take that one before. I had no. And no, if I had yes, it takes you to this screen, which I didn't do this before. So read up on options before you just click that button. I had no for options trading. And it took me straight to here for your review to make sure all your information is correct. And then you hit continue. And I'm not going to do the agreement. You're almost done. Agreement with Charles Schwab. You go through this, you read all this information, you click on that, and it'll take you here. It'll take you through all this, and then you push continue, and your account is all set up. Again, because this is a fake account, I'm not doing this. I can't take it all the way through the agreement process, but make sure you read all these as it's taking you through it, and then your account is set up, and you can start trading on it. So we're going to end it with that. Thank you for watching. Again, click subscribe, click like, dislike, whatever you want to do. Give me some comments, subscribe, and watch the whole videos through. Help me out. Help me to get to 1,000 videos. Help me to get not 1,000 videos, 1,000 views. Spread the word. Again, I'm hoping this stuff helps you out. I'm hoping my content is appropriate and, like I said, helps people out. That's the reason why I decided to do this. So again, if you have any questions, comments, leave the comments. With that, thank you for watching. Until our next video, see ya.